pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everybody, it's Karen. I always do that. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. So if this is your first time here, I do makeup tutorials and I do unboxings and a few hauls. I just really love everything beauty. Okay, so I got the Boxy Premium today. Boxy's shipping is ridiculous. My Boxy Luxe said it shipped on September 4th. I still haven't got it. This one here said it shipped like the 13th, and what's today, the 15th? So I'm like, and it didn't even say it was coming. So it was a surprise. And it did weigh 2.1 pounds in case you are interested in it. Some of you like to know the weight of the box. This here is the $35 a month recurring subscription. It is one step up from the base box. It's supposed to have 6 to 7 premium items. This is what she looks like. Alright, we're going to see what's in here and if she's worth it this month. Oh, okay, here is the card. I will put the variation number on the screen for you guys. And let's get started. Alright. Uh-oh. Looks like I've got some sort of mist. The cap is off. Bloom Effects Tulip Dew Mist. Fragrance free? Hydrating mist. Okay, let's... It doesn't really have a scent at all, actually. And I don't think it really feels hydrating. Let's try that again. Okay, see, I don't like that where it's got like bubbles here and there. That means you've got to like hold it out here and hope that you don't get too big of bubbles in one spot, you know what I mean, like mess up your makeup. Okay, so let's see what it is. $34. Wow, for that little thing. Okay, let's see, let's move on. Ooh, I like Complex Culture brushes. I thought, my dog's mad because I shut my bedroom door. I thought this was Ipsy's brand. I'm confused. Okay, so let's see. Complex Culture, $58. Wait a minute. This isn't a brush. Oh, it's the thing I already have. Alright, so this is the facial massager tool. This is the item that if I've got like a serum that I really want to absorb into my skin, I use this. I'm not going to open it because I already have it. I don't remember if it comes with a battery or not. I don't think it does. Then again, it might. I don't know. And I don't remember. Does it just pop off? Does it twist off? I think it twists off. Yeah, there's no battery in here. I think the other one came with one. So this is a neat thing. These things are kind of expensive too. $58. So I'm not mad at it. I mean, I'm sure I'll find a use for it or someone to give it to. Okay, let's put that aside. I see something really tiny. Bare Minerals Mineralist Hydra Smoothing Lipstick. Here we are here. Let's see how much she's worth. $20. Alright. It says the color is Perception. So, Bare Minerals has pretty basic packaging. Wow, she is sweating. Oh my goodness, she must have been on the truck all day. Alright, let's swatch her. That is bright. I'm not thinking it's going to look very good on me. But I'll try her, just for you though. If I look crazy, then it's your fault. Woohoo! It's got that chemical lipstick smell. Oh my goodness, guys. Be honest, it's okay. Even if you're brutal, I'll get it. Wow. You are bright and my eyelash is coming off. Okay. Yeah, that old lipstick kind of smell. Let's move on. Ooh, what's this? Verb Ghost Oil. Okay, I remember seeing something about this or reading something about this. You do so many spoiler videos, watch so many, you're like, can't remember. Okay, $18. It is a weightless hair oil. Ooh, okay. I just got my hair cut and I'm huge on making sure my hair is hydrated. Ooh, a nice light scent. Let's see. These things, I know you gotta use them sparingly because you do not want your hair to look oily. But yeah, I would totally use this before I used a styling tool. So I'm not mad at that. I will definitely use it. Okay. Laura Mercier Soothing Eye Makeup Remover. I think I picked this. I was very excited about it. I love anything Laura Mercier. Alright, so, and it has like one of the shortest descriptions I've ever seen. Doesn't say anything fancy. Nope. I mean, like the Bare Minerals, a clean vegan lipstick with rich, creamy, full coverage color and lightweight, nourishing hydration with just 19 ingredients, including cold pressed sea buckthorn fruit oil, olive oil extract, and antioxidant rich pump, and it goes on and on and on and on. This says here a gentle eye makeup remover that effectively removes eye makeup. Which all of the descriptions were like that. Okay, we're going to remove the makeup on my hand. Why not, right? Okay, not really a scent. I know I got a cotton ball over here, so let's drown it. Put some remover on it. Okay. Oh yeah, we are good to go. So I just like to try these things for you guys so you can really get a feel for it. Okay, now we've got one thing left, and it's by Beauty Bakery. And I'm liking Beauty Bakery. I really do like their stuff. Okay, I like that it's in bubble wrap. Way to go, Boxy, on that one. Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey Highlighter Palette. Ooh, what is she worth? $38. Okay, okay. I like the little casing. Okay, let's see. The pans are huge. Oh, I like that. Milk and honey. Okay, so we've got Oh Honey, Queen Being, Spoiler Alert, and Be Sweet. We know we have to swatch her. We have to try her too. I'm not even wearing highlight today. Then again, I have makeup on in my pajamas on. Wasn't really going anywhere. Nope. Okay. Let me pull out the Glow Baby Glow brush here. Let's try some of the Oh Honey. Ooh. Ooh. She's pretty. Wow, I like her. Yeah. Let's try the Spoil Alert. Ooh, she's pretty too. Don't worry, we're going to swatch them as well. I just wanted to see how they worked on the skin. A little bit different than what it shows in the pan. Okay, so Queen Bee, I really don't have a place to put that on. Yeah, let's just swatch this one. Ooh, feels creamy. Oh, I love that one. Be Sweet. Gosh, that is gorgeous. Actually, let's put it right here. Oh! Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Spoiler Alert. Right there. Oh. Okay, okay, okay. Let's stick my thumb in Oh Honey. There we are. Oh, that one's kind of powdery. But overall, I'm liking it. These are pretty colors. I'm really liking this one. Let's see if we can put a little bit of this one on. See how it comes out. I didn't think I would like it that much. Let's see. Woohoo! Okay. Y'all, I hate this lipstick. I do. Shall we recap? Alright, guys. Here we go. The highlighter palette. The Massaging T-Bar Facial Tool by Complex Culture. The Allure Mercier Eye Makeup Remover. The Bare Minerals lipstick that I will not be using ever again. And the Tulip Dew Mist spray, which I'll probably wind up using before I put on makeup, to be honest with you, because of the way that it sprays. And then the Ghost Oil by Verb hair serum. So this was a pretty good box. I wish that Boxy would get their shipping in gear. But if you have any questions for me, put them down in the comments below. I'm definitely looking forward to trying out more of these products and doing an updated video at the end of the month for you guys that want to know more about this. If you've got any thoughts or questions for me, put them down in the comments. I will do my very best to answer them, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're new, I do hope that you will hit that subscribe button and stay so I can get to know you and you can get to know me. And I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye!